All right, we're getting ready to do a one carpet in the bedroom, and we're going to do a big area rug. And we it's already been vacuumed and we pre-sprayed, and the pre-spray's been setting up for maybe 10 minutes maybe. So that's what we're doing. Are you ready?
I do think so, yes.
All right.
You may want to come over here,
Oh, I'll get from here.
or if you want to see all this.
You're going to turn around and I'll. Now he's gonna try to do this rug.
Well, let me move the cord real quick. As you can see, these machines whip these jobs out real quick. They really do a fast job for you. Alright, let's see if we pull any water out of this little bit of carpet. Yeah, buddy. Take it to the toilet and get the money shot. There's your black gold right there. Just a second. We're going to make some other videos that are not cleaning videos to explain the difference in these machines and just all the rigmarole that's going on with everything. Explain why we're doing more of this than bonnet cleaning and all that stuff because people want to know. So we're going to tell you. We'll make a video in another day or two after this one's come out. This is just the extra clean water.
Yeah, it's really none of you guys' business.
That's right.
But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be nice and tell you. And people keep asking. People like to ask impossibly uncomfortable questions and stuff all the time.
The thing is I'll tell you this much right now before we make the video. Y'all know us, the bonnet clean. We've been doing it for years, but we're gonna tell you some stuff. You're never gonna get a big business if you bonnet clean only because too many people want extraction. You'd be surprised how many people are like, well, do you extract carpets? And
Well, we'll save that conversation for that video.
yeah, it's a fact. There's reasons for doing what we do, but we'll save it till the video. But yeah, there's a reason for everything we do. We're not just out here willy-nilly doing stuff.
But don't let people tell you what to do. Do what you like to do, and do it your way. And don't let other people don't let other people try to control you.
Let me tell you what to do, and nobody else.
Yeah, well,
no, but don't let people.
There's too many people that
Don't
try
let
to
people
control.
force you into making a mistake. We're telling you straight. We've been in this business forever,
Well,
and bonnet cleaning is cool, but apartment managers, old folks' homes, they want.
If you got into the business so you can be self-employed, don't let other people become your bosses
No.
by trying to tell you that there's a way that they
All these,
insist
all
that
these,
you do it. It's none of their
all
business.
these Facebook groups,
Just ignore those people.
these groups, these YouTube channels, these stores. Don't listen to all that stuff. They're just trying to make money at your expense.
What gives them the right to tell you what to do? They have no right. So
They want your money.
Yeah, figure out what you want to do for yourself, and you can try different techniques and stuff till you figure out the stuff that works for you, and then ignore everybody.
But here's the deal: if you want a bonnet clean only, you can. Me and Joe got away with it because we live in an area where the guys that do water extraction are so horrible. We made money at it anyway because everybody out here is terrible at this carpet cleaning stuff. They're just bad cleaners.
Yeah, you only have to be able to out-clean.
But typically, in an area where the cleaners are decent, you will not beat those extractor people.
Well, you need to just out-clean your competitors, and then you'll get work. So.
But the truth is, in an area where the chocolate cleaners are good, you can't beat
Well,
up
you're gonna have
bonnet cleaning.
to up
You're
your
gonna
game.
have to up your game and extract. If you, it works here where we're at. We're in a unique situation. Very few people have a deal like this.
But
So-
instead of having that whole thing now, we'll have to save that for a future
We'll make
video.
a video, at a more comfortable place than this and do it. But we'll talk more about it later. We'll tell
Yeah,
you
we're gonna go out
everything.
there. We gotta go re-vacuum an apartment. I think we'll video that because
Yeah.
and then we have we'll probably come back and vacuum this
and the
after it
surprise
dries.
about it will be the vacuum cleaner we use. Wait till you see this one.
But hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a real short, quick video. But hey, these are where you make your money. You don't have to be in some place for 4 or 5 hours to make money. These are where you make your quick money. And it's better in a lot of ways because you don't have to wear yourself out. But I hope you guys had
A job this size, they're worth $100.
Well,
So there's money in these. Don't fill up. Don't
you
let
get
no
what you
one tell
can. You
otherwise.
get what you can for it. Don't worry about what people say these things are worth either. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.